Hello guys, in this series of 5 videos we will see the procedures for LAMBDA sensor replacement on the Renault Twingo since year 2014. The Smart 453 is very similar, so this procedure on the engine could be applied also on this car. You will find all the links of the related videos in the description. So video number 1, removal the rear light. Number 2, removal the wheel arch. Number 3, removal the rear bumper. Number 4, removal the bumper reinforcement. Number 5, replacement the LAMBDA sensors. My friends, always tell me to tell you, subscribe my channels and like my video. Enjoy!